Setting up presets on the Ranger couldn't be simpler. In just a few easy steps, you'll be tuning into your favorite stations effortlessly. Start by playing the station you want to save. Then press and hold one of the number buttons located on the front panel to set it as a preset. Keep holding the button down until you see preset stored displayed on the screen. Repeat these steps to save more stations to the dedicated numbered buttons. To save stations beyond the numbered buttons, just hold down the preset button until you see Preset Store appear. Then, use the dial to choose where you want to save the station and confirm by pressing Enter. Recalling your saved stations are accessible with the push of a button. To play any of the first 6 preset stations, press the corresponding number button once. To play the additional saved preset stations, press the preset button once. Then turn the dial to find the preset station you want to play and press Enter. You're all set. With just a simple button press, you can now enjoy your favorite stations on the Ranger.